The Sealey two-piece wireless LED trailer light set is a quick and easy way to get essential lighting functions on your trailer with no wiring required. It's suitable for metal trailers and farming vehicles up to 20 meters long. The light clusters can be easily installed using their strong magnetic base. Simply plug the transmitter into the 7-pin socket on your vehicle and turn the light cluster on. They will then pair with your vehicle and be ready for use. The lights perform 5 functions: brake lights, rear turn signal lights, rear position lights, license plate lights, and return reflectors. There's also a handy battery level indicator, making it easy to monitor and maintain the charging status of your lights. The TS18 LEDW is supplied in a tough storage case and includes a dual USB cable that allows you to charge both light clusters at the same time. The Sealey TB18 LEDW two-piece wireless LED trailer light set. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. If you've suffered a breakdown caused by a flat battery, having a Sealey Road Start emergency jump starter can quickly and easily get you back on the road. Simply connect the clamps to the correct terminals on your battery and turn the device on. You can then start your vehicle and be on your way. The front panel has an LED multifunction display to easily see the internal battery charge level and is supplied with a mains charger with an automatic power cutoff that prevents damage to the battery whilst charging. It's fitted with 2 12-volt power sockets, and the RS1B, RS102B and RS103B models come with a single 5-volt 2.4 amp USB port, making it an ideal portable power supply too. There's also a handy integral LED work light on the front of the pack to make it easier to use in low light conditions. The device also includes short circuit, overload and over temperature protection, as well as an audible warning for reverse polarity. It's easy to carry and store thanks to the carry handle and built-in battery clamp storage. The Sealey range of Road Start emergency jump starters includes a 900 amp, 1200 amp, 1900 amp and a 2400 amp version that are suitable for an array of different petrol and diesel engines. The RS105B model is also suitable for starting 24-volt vehicles with 6-cylinder petrol engines up to 3.5 litre and 6-cylinder diesel engines up to 3 litres. The Sealey RS range of Road Start emergency jump starters. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey folding worm drive engine stand accepts a wide variety of engines and transmissions up to 450 kilograms. The mounting head has 4 adjustable arms with bolt holes to accommodate various load sizes. Its 360-degree worm drive head allows for easy and accurate rotation, enabling access to all parts of the engine, and is fitted with a screw lock to ensure the load is secured. The swivel casters provide excellent manoeuvrability and include a locking brake feature that can be applied to prevent the stand from moving. The engine stand is assembled with clevis pins and clips, so it can be easily folded for convenient storage. The Sealey ES480D 450 kg folding worm drive engine stand. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey motorcycle centre stand moving dolly has a 220 kg capacity, allowing motorcycles with centre stands to be manoeuvred with ease when space is restricted. Simply position the dolly under the motorcycle, apply the built-in brake mechanism and kick the centre stand down so it's positioned in the centre of the dolly. The centre stand locates on the 4mm thick hardened steel plate, which is covered with an anti-slip rubber pad. Now release the brake mechanism and you're ready to manoeuvre the bike. The 360-degree casters allow the bike to be easily moved in any direction, which is ideal for workshop, showroom and home garage use. The Sealey motorcycle centre stand moving dolly. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey Mechanics utility seat and toolbox is the ideal solution for keeping commonly used tools to hand. Its 4 60mm oil-resistant swivel casters provide easy manoeuvrability, and it includes a thick padded seat with a vinyl cover for easy cleaning. There are 3 drawers with ball-bearing slides for storing a wide range of tools. The twin-capacity drinks holder and screwdriver storage rack on the rear offer quick and easy access to your tools, and it features 2 folding side trays for parts and fixings. These are suitable for the professional workshop or home workshop user. The Sealey Mechanics Utility Seat and Toolbox, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey WCR02 motorcycle roll-in wheel clamp increases the stability of a motorcycle by clamping its front wheel. It's suitable for bolting down onto trailers, in vans, or onto motorcycle lifts. The clamp is fully adjustable to fit wheels with diameters ranging from 13 through to 21 inches, and for tyre widths up to 50 to 130 millimeters. It features a pivot clamp which locks the front wheel securely, utilising the weight of the motorcycle. Always ensure that the motorcycle is properly secured using tie-down straps. The Sealey WCR02 motorcycle roll-in wheel clamp, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey tyre inflator with gauge makes inflating and deflating tyres a simple task thanks to its large pressure gauge. It has a quick coupling feature which is ideal for securely attaching to your air hose, and the single clip-on connector makes it quick and easy to connect and disconnect from air valves. Its die-cast body provides a comfortable grip, and the trigger system allows additional control to airflow for more accurate inflation. It includes a large dial gauge and rubber protector that shows air pressure in both PSI and bar for enhanced visibility and precision. The air release valve also means that it can be used to easily deflate, making it ideal for quickly adjusting the air pressure when precise measurements are required. The Sealey tyre inflator with gauge, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. Sealey air hydraulic nut riveter with vacuum release system is a powerful, heavy-duty tool suitable for all types of nut rivets. It's supplied with 7 mandrels, 2 spanners and an oiled syringe. It's trigger operated and features an automatic wind release system for fast application and is suitable for heavy assembly work. The tool stroke setting can be adjusted to suit different workpiece thicknesses, and the airflow adjuster can be rotated to change the direction of the exhaust airflow to suit the user. It comes with a 2-year parts and labour guarantee for additional peace of mind. The Sealey air hydraulic nut riveter with vacuum release system, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey range of composite air impact wrenches offer lightweight handling with heavyweight power and are available with either a 1/2 inch or 1 inch square drive. The handle exhaust with built-in silencer helps to reduce noise levels and limits circulation of brake dust on wheel applications. They feature a twist control at the back of the tool for an easy choice of both speed and direction, and a variable speed trigger for additional control and precision. The twin hammer design gives the wrench a high torque output and features spring-mounted rotor blades providing constant power and extended life. The SA6007 model has a breakaway torque of 1,320 pounds-foot or 1,789 Newton-meters, and the SA6008 model has a breakaway torque of 2,500 pounds-foot or 3,375 Newton-meters. They also come with a 2-year parts and labour guarantee for additional peace of mind. The Sealey range of composite air impact wrenches, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. The Sealey multi-purpose foam cleaner is ideal for cleaning upholstery, glass, ceramics, laminates, PVC, office furniture and work surface areas. When cleaning upholstery, spray the foam cleaner directly onto the affected area. Then wait a few minutes to allow the foam to build and penetrate the upholstery. The foaming action lifts dirt and grime to the surface. Then just wipe the area down with a damp cloth and leave to dry. For hard surfaces, spray the foam cleaner onto a dampened cloth. Then wipe over the surface that needs to be cleaned. The Sealey foam cleaner, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.